Hello viewers.
Lucky Bhaskar movie is the story of a man who works as a cashier in Magadha Bank. His salary is very low, due to which he is not able to cover his household expenses. The responsibility of the entire house rests on him. Bhaskar is a very honest employee of the bank. He works very hard in the bank so that he can get promoted. But even after promising, the general manager gives the promotion to someone else. This makes Bhaskar angry, and now Bhaskar thinks of earning money dishonestly in the management. For this, he takes the help of a man who was in the export import business. His name was Anthony. Anthony used to order goods at lower prices through shipping and sell them in India at higher prices. So he wanted a very high amount of investment every time. Bhaskar used to give that money to Anthony from the bank secretly. Bhaskar used to take 20% as profit from Anthony. This went on for a long time in this way, and Bhaskar started living a good life with this. Then Anthony left this business. Bhaskar also thought of leaving all this. But when he went to the office, he came to know that the manager above him has been caught in some scam, and Bhaskar has been promoted. And now he has been made the head of the office of the bank, that is, the general manager position. Bhaskar and his family became very happy and their life is perfect now. But one day, Harsha Mehra's file comes to the bank. Harsha Mehra was a broker who used to work as a mediator in doing bank transactions and took some percent of it himself. But in reality, Harsha Mehra used to invest money in the stock market. He used to buy a lot of shares, and when their prices used to increase, he used to sell them. Because of this, he was earning profit of millions. When Bhaskar came to know about this, Harsha Mehra sent Suraj to do a deal with Bhaskar. Bhaskar agreed to this. Now Bhaskar also started earning millions and started becoming richer than the rich. But now, a lot of illegal things were also going on, like Hawala transactions and illegal trading, because of which Bhaskar and the people working with him could even go to jail. Due to increase in the money, Bhaskar's arrogance also increased a lot. And also, he used to remain under tension all the time and did not even talk nicely to the family members. All this was observed by Bhaskar's father, and he understood where Bhaskar has gone wrong. He made Bhaskar understand that this path is wrong and he should leave it immediately. Bhaskar also understood this and he stopped doing such things and resigned from his office. Actually, senior officers of Magadha Bank were also involved in this Harsha Mehra scam, and they were using Bhaskar as a scapegoat. Bhaskar understood this and he himself exposed the scam and went abroad with all the money and family. If we analyze the movie, then this movie teaches us that greed should also be limited. The way Bhaskar's behavior started changing due to the inflow of money, and due to that, the peace in the house turned to chaos. In the same way, if anyone gets more money than required, then it can cause disturbance instead of peace, and it will also bring a lot of wrong habits with itself. You can take a direct example of this from movie actors, where some people earned a lot of money very quickly, and because of money and popularity, a lot of wrong things happened to them. This movie also teaches that a person should give priority to the family. Money will keep coming and going, but the family will always remain with you. Bhaskar not only helped his family but also helped all the people he knew. It means he gave importance to relationships. This movie also tells about the loopholes of the government system, which are taken advantage by people sitting in high positions and the people who are millionaires. This movie also shows how people of the society look down upon each other due to lack of money. Even among the relatives, people taunt each other on these things. It means people respect a person by his money, whereas a person becomes a good person only by his thinking and not by money. If we do the spiritual analysis of the movie, then Bhaskar becomes egoistic due to large amount of money, and as Bhaskar gets more opportunities to earn money, he becomes more greedy. People who have feelings like ego, greed, etc. are in lower consciousness, but the lower consciousness can also be raised to higher consciousness. If you want to know how, you can watch the attached videos.